back to my channel, and for today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo how to make a healthier way of cooking crispy pata. I'm not gonna use deep fryer or I'm not gonna use oil. Ang gagamitin natin today is air fryer kasi we're not gonna use any oil, so which is really good for keto diet and low carb diet. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo paano ko siya gagawin. Without any further ado, let's crack on with our kitchen. So, ito na yung ating pata, guys. I did cut it both side para ano siya, even yung pagkaluto niya mamaya pag na air fry. Malinis na to and it's ready to boil. So, ayan. Decent size na pata. Ayan na yung ating pata, guys. Papakuluan na siya. At ipakita ko sa inyo yung aking ihahalo dito. Ito yung ihalo ko. Luya, garlic, then lemongrass, pepper, tapos bay leaf. Then lagyan ko din siya ng rosemary para malasa talaga. Tapos lagyan lang ng salt. So yan, ilagay ko lang to lahat doon. So yan. Nahalo ko na lahat, guys, yung ingredients. So pakuluan ko lang siya ng 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Then baliktarin din siya every side and that's all good to go. After natin pakuluan, guys, ito na siya, and now punasan natin ng paper towel para siguradong matuyo bago natin ilagay sa ating air fryer. So, ayan na siya, guys. I-air fry na natin. It looks small kasi yung air fryer ko is extra large. So, yan. I-on na natin. And let's put it for 200 for 30 minutes muna, and then on. So ayan, update ko kayo mamaya. Ito na yung ating pata, guys, after 40 minutes sa air fryer. Yan. Sobrang lutong niya. Can you hear that? And then the good thing, maano to, juicy inside kasi napakuluan natin siya. So, yan. That looks good. Kahit partner mo lang siya ng salad. And that's... Ayan yung loob niya, guys. Diba? Juicy. Yung outer niya lang yung crispy. Tapos yung loob is juicy. Yan. Yum. So, ayun na yung ating pa-cooking vlog today, guys. And hope na may natutunan kayo. And very recommended to kasi hindi siya mamantika. And then, it's perfect for keto diet and low carb diet. So, we're gonna try it now before we end this video. And, gaano ba talaga siya ka-crunchy. So, I got something here. Yum. Sobrang crunchy. So, thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one. At sana may natutunan kayo. Bye for now. Stay safe, everyone.